Alright, so the semester's over. We're back from Penn State. We're here, back in my hometown. We're about to head to Power Build in a couple minutes. Got a bench day today, single at like 7 to 8. Maybe a PR, may not be, not too sure. But we're about to go over there and meet the gang. Tom, Liam, and Joe, they're going to be over there. I think everyone's got some form of SBD. I'm not too sure, but I know it's been a while since I haven't uploaded my last video, but I just haven't really locked into the school and just finishing up the year strong, finishing finals and whatnot. I do have a meet. I'm 3 weeks out from a meet right now, Team Nationals in Colorado, so we're going to be filming that for you guys, so looking forward to that. That shouldn't be as competitive a competition as the one that I just won recently, but it'll be good. It's just like competing's fun, and we're going to go out there, we're going to meet back up with Joey and Grant, so it'll be a fun time. So other than that, we're about to head to the gym. It's fucking nice out. Dude's got a fresh new cut, are you kidding me? Oh yeah. Single at 7 or something, so it'll probably be upwards of around 420. We're not too sure, we're gonna have to figure it out. But we got a protein cookie in us, we got some Gatorade, some Bang. We're gonna mix that with some 110. We'll be feeling good, we're gonna be stimmed the fuck out. So we fast forwarded to Wednesday. We just finished up bench accessories yesterday, nothing crazy. So we're here now, we got a heavy squat single. We got our man Corey's content shooting the vlog. Plug him down below. But we're gonna have to warm up. We're seeing what we have right now. We're not too sure.
Kilobees Wednesday. Look for hashtags. It'll be a weekly thing. Kilobees Wednesday.
All right, bet. What are you doing?
Tell them every single Wednesday we're gonna make a montage.
All the last squat video that I posted on IG, but we've been warming up with 2 different sleeves because I noticed that with the new SBD sleeves, it seems that the left sleeve is always tighter. So honestly, I'm just trying to get the tightest sleeve that I can get on. So we've been rocking one of the new ones on the left and then just one of the old Eclipse ones on the right. And I noticed that that's the tightest I can get when it comes to whatchamacallit, when it comes to sleeves. So yeah. Bro, what do you want?
Bro, do you squat on Wednesdays?
Did I say it was Wednesday?
You said Wednesday like 17 times. And said you're gonna film every Wednesday.
Oh shit. I fucked that up.
I was trying to help you, bro. I said, look at this.
Dude, I know.
Tuesday. It's Tuesday.
People said his brain was infected by devils. My father would come home.
This is the blues I play. Yes, it's a final thing. When the night is cold and low. Was it the money that made me such popping up for
think the two of them are kind of help us in there. The people that offer them know I got some booty. I got some booty.
Alright, so you guys saw we hit 683 for a single, which felt pretty good. I've been going up at around like 5 Ps a week on squat as my strength has been coming back to me after the meet. And then we did a couple sets of 5 with 562, and then a couple sets of 5 with 551. So we're gonna wrap it up for this vlog. I think I have enough footage from both yesterday and today to make a full video, but I've really been lacking with the content, but I'm gonna keep it coming, so I'm gonna keep on documenting you guys on what's going on until my meet, and then we'll record the meet, obviously. So I appreciate you guys tuning in. If you guys haven't already, like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. All my links will be down below. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next one.